Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Spectrum Crystal Air 5.5 inch double desk LED light. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Crystal Air double desk light set, follow us on social media at Spectrum Photo Video and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. Let's take a closer look at what's included. Firstly, you have the user guide. We've also got some color gels. You've got the two Spectrum Crystal Air lights themselves. You also have two tilting brackets. And lastly, two tripod stands. To set up the Crystal Air lights, firstly grab the tilting bracket and you can mount that to the bottom of each of the lights. You can see there's a 1/4 inch thread that should match up. Then simply use the locking wheel and spin counterclockwise to tighten. The locking wheel features a knob that loosens the locking mechanism, allows you to tilt the light as you need it. Repeat the process for the second light. Now the next step would be to get the tripod stand. Firstly, fan out the legs, and that should reveal the center column. This center column can be unscrewed, and spin that counterclockwise to remove, and then flip the tripod the right way up. And you can see there is also another 1/4 inch mounting thread to line up to the center column. You screw that in a clockwise direction to tighten, and that reveals your tripod. You can see here there's also an extendable section, so you can adjust the height of the light itself. Firstly, to adjust that, you need to rotate this counterclockwise, then adjust to the desired height and spin clockwise to tighten. So you can adjust this as you need it, whether it's in the low position or at its top high position. From there, you can grab one of the lights and line this up to the 1/4 inch thread to mount. Repeat the process with the second light. The great thing about the Crystal Air lights are that they have a slide-in diffuser, which is already pre-installed. So you can see you can slide that out. There's a little tab that you can remove that, which reveals the LED lights inside there. You can use the provided color gels if you're wanting to gel either one or both of the lights. We provide a total of 6 color gels. So there's 2 red, 2 yellow, and 2 blue. To use a color gel, simply slide in the color gel from behind and slide down the diffuser like so. You can pair this with the diffuser, or if you'd like, you can completely remove the diffuser and only use the color gel. The Crystal Air lights feature 66 LED lights that produce a 5600 Kelvin natural daylight color temperature. They're operated via USB Type A plug-in, so you can plug this directly into a computer or laptop device, a portable battery pack, and also straight into an AC adapter. Plug it directly into your wall. From here you have controls with the power operation as well as the dimming control that dims it from 10 to 100%. It also produces a 1000 lumen output rating at 1 meter. Both lights can be used in a wide range of setups, so you can have them positioned on either side of you. You can have them adjusted at different heights. You can have one tilted down, pointing down to a subject down here, whether you're wanting to do top-down photography or video. You can have one gelled and the other not gelled. So very versatile in the way that you can use and operate these lights. To operate the Crystal Air, simply plug into that USB device. It supports a 2 amp 5 volt input. In this case, we have a USB extension over here. And once you plug that in, you'll notice a blue LED light, which indicates that there's power to the device. From here, you can simply turn it on, and you'll see the light is on itself. And you can adjust using the up or down buttons to adjust the intensity. There's a total of 11 stops of light. You can adjust the light depending on how you need it. So if you're wanting to evenly light your subject, you would have both lights adjusted at the same intensity. However, if you want one key light and perhaps one side light or one background light, you may want to have a different output level for the second light. The Crystal Air lights are very compact, measuring only at 14 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and they're really portable and a compact design, perfect to be taken with you on location or set up in your own home studio. Perfect to be used for YouTube videos, live streaming, makeup artists, professionals, and a whole range of social media content. So for more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the Spectrum 5.5-inch Crystal Air desk light set. Follow us on social media at Spectrum Photo Video, and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.